All right, I want to show you guys on how you can easily create your Phantom wallet on this video. Try to follow, like, comment below this video. So make sure you guys just like and follow and share this video to all your friends on social media. So let me just click on this install right now to show you guys on how you can easily create. You click on install right now, then I'll install it right now into my mobile phone right now, guys. Right now it has been installed to my phone. Let me just click on open right now. All right, you click on this open. I want to just try to create a Phantom wallet in front of you for you guys to know on how you can easily create it right now. Then you need to just make sure to click on this one. All right, you click on this create a new wallet, create a newly wallet. All right, right now it's that simple. Then you're gonna try to click, you can set a phrase. All right, create a seed phrase. You can see right now you can also use your email. So this is your phrase, but this one is just for educational purpose. All right, you can don't share your phrase to anybody. Don't share your phrase to anybody. Write it down in a sheet of paper. This account is just for this tutorial video, not not for it's just a tutorial video for educational purpose. All right, so that I'm just trying to open all the phrase for you. So make sure you save it, write it in a private place. All right, you click on this copy right now to copy it and write it down. So right now I've already write it down, so I'll just click on this. Okay, save it. All right, yes. So you have to just wait for it to just load up. All right, in case you want to use it in another day. All right, click on save. Yes. Okay, it has already done. You can easily name it to your own. You can name it. You can name your wallet to anyhow. You can, all right, you can just say crypto 2025. You can name it anywhere. You can just name it with your name. All right, just 2025. All right, you can just name it like this. You can say crypto 2025w. So that is your username. Then you are done. You can see you are really done. You can just click on this get started right now. You are good to go. Click on allow. So your account has been fully created successfully. You have already tried to write it down, your phrase in. Can you see? You can use it to just, all right, you can use it to you can use it right now to start trading, to send money to your account, to send and receive crypto into your account, either BTC or wherever. So right now in my next video, in my next coming video, I'll show you how you can use how you can use your Phantom wallet to using a bot to trade for you on your Phantom wallet. I'll show you right now step by step in my next coming video. So this is how you can just easily create your Phantom wallet step by step. Write it down somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Follow, like, share this video. Bye for now, guys.